On July 20, 1969, a 33,000-pound metal cylinder slammed into the lunar surface with exactly 15 seconds of fuel left. But what Neil Armstrong actually saw, and what NASA subsequently erased, defies everything you were taught in school. Imagine this. The original, high-resolution telemetry tapes of humanity's greatest achievements simply vanished. Over 13,000 magnetic reels, entirely wiped. Gone. Add to that, the seismometers they planted recorded the moon reverberating for 55 straight minutes like a massive, hollow gong. Scientists were completely baffled. How does a solid rock ring like a bell? We all know the textbook story. One small step, the flag, the triumphant return. The Apollo 11 program pushed known physics to its absolute breaking point. They landed on an alien world using computers with 100,000 times less processing power than the smartphone in your pocket right now. We thought this mission answered our biggest questions about our lunar neighbor. But here is where things get strange. And what you are about to see changes everything. Before we uncover the classified details of what actually happened on that lunar surface, make sure you hit that follow button. Hundreds of thousands of you are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single month, and what I am about to reveal next is exactly why. Stay with me here. Let us rewind. 3 days into the flight, 240,000 miles from Earth, the Apollo 11 crew radioed mission control to ask about an unidentified object floating outside their window. They assumed it was their discarded SIVB rocket stage. But Houston confirmed the rocket stage was 6,000 miles away. Then, during the final descent, a terrifying 12:02 program alarm flashes. The computer is completely overloaded. They are dropping out of the sky blind. But the real mystery begins the moment they actually step outside. When Apollo 11 and the subsequent missions intentionally dropped heavy equipment back onto the lunar surface, the seismic data shocked the world. Unlike Earth, which absorbs impacts quickly due to its dense, molten core, the moon rang. It birthed a wild, controversial theory. Is the moon actually hollow? The scientific reality is arguably weirder. Because the moon is entirely bone-dry and heavily fractured from billions of years of meteorite impacts, it acts like a giant acoustic amplifier. But this incredible discovery pales in comparison to the data we lost. Just when you thought you understood the mission, we have to talk about the missing tapes. In 2006, NASA admitted a terrifying truth. They could not find the original, uncompressed, high-resolution tapes of the Apollo 11 moonwalk. The crystal-clear footage. Erased. Written over in the 1980s because of a supposed magnetic tape shortage. This single admission spawned decades of intense debate. We lost the purest scientific data in human history to budget cuts. I genuinely want to know what you think about this. I will be reading the comments on this one. Do you believe NASA accidentally recorded over 13,000 reels of the most important tapes in human history just to save a few dollars? Or do you think those original telemetry tapes contained high-resolution anomalies they did not want the public to see? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below right now. Are we looking at extreme bureaucratic incompetence, or the ultimate cover-up? This affects how we see our place in the universe. The missing data was not just about a better video signal. It contained unfiltered biometric telemetry, precise radiation levels, and uncompressed audio of Armstrong and Aldrin. Furthermore, the physical anomalies they encountered, like the razor-sharp lunar dust that smelled intensely of spent gunpowder and clung to their suits via static electricity, forced geologists to rethink planetary formation entirely. Scientists around the world are now using advanced AI to analyze the surviving, degraded broadcast copies, desperately trying to extract the faint whispers of raw data left from 1969. But hope is not lost. The mysteries of 1969 are finally about to be answered. Through the upcoming Artemis missions, humanity is going back. But this time, we are not taking computers with the power of a calculator. We are bringing quantum-level sensors, ultra-high-definition ground-penetrating radar, and a permanent human presence. We are going to probe the depths of those hollow-sounding lunar caverns. We are going to analyze the static-charged dust in real time. The secrets that the Apollo 11 astronauts brushed up against in the dark vacuum of space will finally be brought into the light. Science isn't static, it is a constant, thrilling pursuit of the truth. By the end of this decade, the moon will no longer be a distant mystery, but our second home. And the anomalies that terrified and confused the brilliant minds of the 1960s will become the foundation of our leap to Mars. But the moon ringing like a bell is not the only cosmic mystery lurking in our celestial backyard. Wait until you see what the James Webb Space Telescope just detected at the very edge of the observable universe. A structure so massive it threatens to break the laws of physics entirely. And what NASA just found hidden beneath the ice of Jupiter's moon Europa. That is coming in our next video. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, the data may have been erased, but the footprints remain perfectly preserved in the silent lunar dust, waiting for our return. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next one.